Well, hello, people. Now, when I started my journey in the realm of digital marketing, I guess one of the most difficult term was SMO, which means social media optimization. And when I was just going through my initial days, I was told that SMO is all about doing all the activities in social media marketing, starting with creating a monthly calendar, creating the profiles over social media like Facebook page, Instagram profile, creating the content in terms of banner, videos, maybe graphics, then posting that content regularly on these social media profiles, then further marketing it by sharing in different groups, forums, and boost to increase the audience reach, and finally creating the monthly report. So I was told everything that we do is part of SMO. Then I was like, then what is social media marketing? What is SMM? And I talked to a couple of people, and I don't know why people did not know the actual difference between SMM and SMO. People are still calling it SMO. Rather than calling SMM for social media marketing, they still call it SMO. And then I kept on searching why the hell people use SMO for SMM. And then I came to a point where I got to know why there's a confusion. So, usually, whenever you think about doing social media marketing for any project, it contains like 5 to 6 different activities like monthly calendar planning, then profile creation, content creation, posting, marketing, and monthly reporting. But before I get into the discussion of why SMM is considered to be a SMO, let me ask you a question. So let's say you go to a website, maybe an e-commerce website, and you want to buy any of these products. You are interested to buy a product of this website or any website that you go to. Now, what do you do usually? Whenever you have to buy any product from a website or maybe a product from any offline shop, maybe a car, maybe you have to take an admission in a college, what do you do? Do you just walk up to the college and take the admission? Do you just walk up to the showroom and buy a car? Or you do a due intelligence, or I would say a due diligence first? Do you really review, like read all the reviews of that school or of that car, and then you buy the product? So usually we as a human, we don't just buy these product. We go to market, we talk to people, we check the surveys, and we do a lot of background check before buying any product. Same is the case with social media, same is the case with internet marketing or websites. If you have to buy springtails, or if anyone has to buy a product from any website, I guess they would go to at least Facebook page. They would just go to Facebook and try to find out the page of that company. So they would go to Google and they would type Springtails Facebook page, something like Springtails Facebook page, let's say. And if they don't find the company in the top slots, which is not available right now Springtails, uh, by searching for Springtails at Google, we are getting this Facebook page of a school, but not of this website. So if people won't find, or if you won't find the right pages, right internet pages, we also call them properties or asset, you will feel something fishy, or at least you won't feel confident about buying the product of that website. What if this company is a scam? What if this company is cheating people? What if you order a product and you don't get the product placed and you end up losing the money in a prepaid order? You'll be having a lot of questions in your mind. And when people start questioning the company, they end up getting off the website. They just don't buy the products. So that's why it's important that any company which is available over the internet shall be having all the social media profiles or assets. So company shall be having the Facebook page, Company shall be having the Instagram account, company shall be having a YouTube channel, company shall be having a LinkedIn business page, a Snapchat profile, TikTok account, a website, Twitter account, as much properties as possible. These properties are the testimony for that company. In e-commerce, we usually don't go with LinkedIn page or TikTok account in India, but if possible, we shall be having all these pages as well. But at least you shall be having a Facebook page or an Instagram account or a YouTube channel, something like this. Now, people will be doing their due diligence. As I said, they'll be coming on this Instagram account. And what if they try to go through this account, an account which is having 3 posts, 3 followers, only 3 posts? Do you think people would really like to buy products from a company having only 3 posts, having only 3 followers? I mean, they won't feel confident. They will feel this company is not credible. It's not a genuine company. It's a very newly launched company, and they may not buy any product from the website of that company. Now, maybe they won't find Instagram page, then they can get into YouTube channel. Again, if they would find only one video with around 0 followers, they won't again find this website very credible to buy the products. Same is the case with Facebook. Here also we have this website is only having like 3-4 posts. Here we have like 4 posts, one duplicate post. We don't have a very good banner in the background. We don't really have very good followers. So people will not really like to buy any product from these companies. So whenever a client comes to me or to our agency and he would like to run ads, we really ask them how many followers you have on social media profiles. If they don't have the followers, then we ask them to get some sort of social media optimization of their accounts. Now, when I say optimization, then it technically means then that your website, your Instagram account, your YouTube channel, or your Facebook page has to be really optimized. It should look very genuine. It should be having a very good logo. It should be having cover photo. It should be having about us information. It should be having a website link. It should be having the call to action button. So it should be having all the information, and additionally, it should also be having very good number of followers, at least 2000 followers. It shall be having at least around 20-30 posts, so that when somebody scrolls down this page once, twice, or thrice, the page should not end, which is going to be the case if you only have 3, 4, or 5 posts. So SMO technically means optimizing this page or optimizing the social media accounts in a way where the account gives a confidence to people to buy the products. Otherwise, anyone who is going to take the service from this website may not take the service if land on any of these social media profiles having only 3 or 4 posts or having only 3 followers. So that's why it's very much needed to have all of these profiles optimized. Now, when you get into social media marketing activity, then this second point is called as profile creation optimization, which means even if you are not, even if you as a company, even this company is not doing a regular social media marketing activity for 12 months, maybe for 2-3 years, then at least they should be having some initial marketing. They should be having some initial optimization. So when somebody comes on the website or when somebody comes on this Instagram profile, a customer really feel confident to buy products from the website. So I guess now you have a very good idea why SMO. So now having this activity, a lot of companies get this activity. They initially started calling it SMO because they thought it's about social media marketing because it's same. When you are optimizing the website, you are doing the similar set of activities. And that's why the term SMO is being called out for SMM. And now people are really either calling it SMM or they are either calling it SMO. But then we as an expert, anyone who is learning digital marketing has to know that SMO technically means social media optimization. When I say optimization, it technically means we have to create all the profiles over social media, and right next to it, we have to make sure that these profiles are optimized. These are discoverable when someone Googles them. And when the website or the profile is only having 3 followers, only having 3 posts, not having the about us information, then usually these profiles are not discoverable over Google. Having the right content or having good number of posts over these pages make them discoverable over Google as a search engine. If you have one single video, then maybe your video won't rank your business when somebody types the business name in YouTube. But if you have 20-30 different videos, then your chances of getting shown up on YouTube is comparatively higher. So that's why it's needed that we have all the accounts, all the social media profiles optimized. But yeah, the actual term is social media marketing, even though when you are doing SMO, when you are making content to create or to make the social media accounts optimized, you are actually doing the social media marketing activities, which is the combination of all of these 6 activities. So now let's get back into, yeah. So I guess now let's get back into what you can do to learn social media marketing or social media optimization. It could be starting with optimizing the Facebook business page. So members of this internship or members of this training can get the access of this Facebook business page. I would want you to optimize this business page. Then I would want people to optimize the Instagram account, and finally also optimizing the YouTube channel. Again, you can have a lot of questions about how to optimize it, what activities you have to do. We can discuss it in any session, in any online session. After completing the activity, you can mark your progress as completed. Now I shall be seeing you in the next video where we have to discuss about the content creation part. I shall see you then.